Have you ever want to make a good dessert for Christmas on just just on the weekdays or whatever kind of celebration you're doing? Non-baked cookies is a good way to do that in just three easy steps. Gathering your ingredients, mixing the batter, and putting into spoonfuls on wax paper. I've always enjoyed this when I was a kid, especially on Christmas. Most of the times, my mom made this for me and everybody else. And with have other siblings, we're gonna have to make a lot of it. So you're gonna need a big pot, which is gonna be about generally that big, and then you're gonna need a half a cup of cocoa and a half a cup of milk and half cup a stick of butter, which is about like that, and then 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It can be any type or any choice you would like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which is like the little bitty bottle kind, and then 3 cups of instant oatmeal, which is Quaker oatmeal, the one that comes in a big jar like this, and then 2 cups of sugar. And then boil all these ingredients for 1.5 minutes. And then now we got to bring out our big mixing arms now, because it's going to take a lot of stirring and a lot of hard work to turn that around. Well, now we got to add the final ingredients. So remove the pot off the fire and add the peanut butter, the vanilla, and the oatmeal all together, and keep on mixing until all that's nice and blended and all covered in chocolate. And you want to use a big spoon, about a good sized tablespoon will be okay, and just lay it on wax paper, maybe about 2 or 3 feet, depending on how big your table is or whatever flat surface you want to put it on, and just dip it on there, and then just wait for it to harden up. And as time goes on, they will harden even more. But they're still edible and still good to eat. And especially if you haven't had it before, it's a wonderful dessert. And you've successfully made no-bake cookies. So all you had to do was just gather your ingredients, mix the batter, and then put on wax paper. And that's pretty much it. Well, thank y'all for listening.